Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. We'll learn how to install and activate Monster Insights on WordPress. So first you have to go to the admin, then from there go to the plugins, then click the add plugin and then search for Monster Insights. So it is here. We're going to install it now. Once it is installed, you have to activate it. Okay, now it will ask you to launch the wizard. Like we're going to do the setup thing now. Once you click it, you'll be able to you'll have some options to select as business, a publisher, or e-commerce. For our case, we're just going to do with the publisher. Click save and continue. And since we're using the free Monster Insights Lite, we do not need any license. If you want to upgrade, then they will give you a license. You can do it by clicking it here. Let's connect the Monster Insights now. After you click it, you have to click continue and connect to Google. And then select the email address, the Google account that you want to log in, and then click continue. Again, continue. Okay. If you do not get the option like me, and if they ask you to select the, give them permission to use your account, you have to give them. Now from here, click select your property. So I'm going to blur some of the websites. So just select your property and then click complete connection. And here you can take it off if you don't want to receive communications from Monster Insights. Click complete connection. It's finalizing now. Please do not close this window. This may take some time for them to do that. Okay, so now they have a couple of options: events tracking, link attribution, what type of file you can to download, or if you want to do any affiliate link tracking. For most of the cases, just leave it as it is. And this is, I prefer keeping it as administrator. This option is to make sure that it gets updated automatically. And if you want, you can turn this on to, give them some information and also show you Monster Insight badge, but this is not needed. So let's click save and continue. Okay. So now, again, couple of options. You just do the one that you want to do. If you're using an e-commerce website, definitely do the e-commerce tracking thing. Also, there are a couple of other tracking. You don't have to do that. We're just going to hit continue. So it's going to take some time to apply the settings we just did. Okay, you can see that it's saying success, it's installed, and it's asking for us to pay. We're not going to pay now. We're going to use the free option. So click complete setup without upgrading. So it's refreshing the report. Please note that I just installed the Google Analytics, so it won't have any data here. Okay, let's click this and then go to the insights here. Okay, see, as I said, like we just installed it, so there's no data here, but you'd be able to see tons of information here when you start to get some traffic to the website, and it is connected using your analytics. So you'll see the data on Google Analytics and also here on the Monster Insights. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.